Okay, hey, and welcome to the sphere component of step one for this Devil's Invent skill session. In my opinion, this is the hardest of the three step ones, the other being extrude and loft. And by that I mean just follow along. It won't be as easy, but if you follow along, it'll definitely be straightforward enough. First I will go to create. I will go to sphere, and then I will click on the top or the Z-plane. I will go to the top using this little thing because I didn't like that orientation. I will click in the middle, and I will select a diameter of 10. It's already 10, so I just click enter, and that gives us the three-dimensional shape. And just if it wasn't made clear on the other, if you went with extruding or lofting, you would first have to create a two-dimensional shape, and then you would do a three-dimensional function. With something like sphere, you just go straight to the shape, if that makes sense. So once we have the sphere, again, 10 centimeter diameter is what I'd like. I would go with sketch, create sketch. I will go on this plane, and because of the nature of this, and because of the nature of sphere, the plane is already right in the middle. I want to create, honestly, it doesn't even matter. Let's do a center rectangle. It doesn't matter. I just want to create something massive that I can then cut away from. So just as long as it encapsulates the entire converted entity of this circle. So I will go to create, extrude, okay, and once this is extruded, I want to essentially cut away from it, so I will set a negative distance. I clicked enter and it gets deleted. I want to reorientate myself. I want to construct a plane that intersects the this arc right on top. It's a diameter of 5, so the radius is 5. And I will essentially do the same thing. Shape. Let's go with a polygon. Again, in this case, it doesn't matter, just as long as it encapsulates everything. Create, extrude. I want a negative distance for it to cut away. We already cut away half, so those 5 left. If I cut away 2, it'll be 3 high. And there we go. We have a base. So, thank you.